Stick around to get this. Look. Happy New Year. Today I filmed a makeup look while watching the Eras tour. Taylor is my favorite artist, and pink is my favorite color. So this is what came out of that. Prime your lids, then go in with a mauve through the crease and outer corner. Deepening the outer corner and a little through the crease with a plum shade. Softening edges with the mauve. Making the lid sticky for the hot pink shimmer. It helps it to stick down, stops creasing, and keeps it vibrant all day. Here, I went back and forth with a brush and my finger. Your finger just presses in. Shimmers so much better when you want them opaque. Using a baby pink to transition the shades. Adding back some of the depth I lost with the baby pink. This is a shimmer version of the plum color and helps bring everything together. Using my highlight shade on the brow bone and softening everything. Now just repeat on the other eye. How was your holiday season? Have y'all watched the Eras tour yet? It's a slay and a must watch. Priming with a hydrating primer. The cold weather makes my face so dry. Concealing dark circles, breakouts, and scarring. My face is actually clearing up. I've been using a few new products. I'll update in like a month to make sure it's working. I mix my foundation and glowy base to get a softer glowy finish. It's been such a game changer in how my base looks. Baking where I crease or get oily. Dusting powder on everything else to set the creams. This is my favorite bronzer. I need to buy a backup before they stop making them lol. Yes, I play Fortnite. It's one of my favorite games. This is from the Beauty in a Blinc blush and highlight palette. I'm obsessed. This highlight is from that same palette. It's so shiny. Framing the bottom lash line with the plum color. I wet my brush to make this more of a cream shade so it would show up brighter. melting the powders down. Some clear brow wax to keep them in place all day. Tight lining with black to define the eyes a bit more. Finishing the eyes with mascara, the best mascara, by the way. This is the perfect 90s nude lip liner. Finishing the look with my perfect nude pink lipstick. Thank you for almost a whole year on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe.